Hello, congratulations. You've made it to the end of your degree. My name is Dr. Katie Harster, and I'm going to go through how to complete your petition to graduate. You are required to complete this in order to receive your degree at Webster University. So you may receive a notification from your advisor that tells you to submit your petition to graduate. You can also access this yourself using the link below and in the description of this video. You should petition to graduate at the beginning of your last semester. So as soon as you register, let's say you're graduating in May, as soon as you register for spring 2 classes, you should petition to graduate. You want to petition to graduate sooner rather than later so that your degree is processed in a timely manner. So here's what the page looks like. You should see this. It should say graduate students, um, and you just click next here. Okay, so there are two options for F1 visa students. Either you attended at Webster Groves in St. Louis, and that's where you click St. Louis area locations, or you attended in San Antonio, Texas, which you click domestic U.S. locations. If you click domestic U.S., you then will click San Antonio Metropolitan as your campus. Do not click one of these other campuses. Okay, this is optional. The university can send you emails occasionally about events going on. If you want to receive these emails, you click yes. If you don't, you click no. Again, it's optional. You do not have to click yes. Okay, this is the long part. So you need to fill out all of your student informations. So your student ID number, first name, last name. Um, you enter your address. Now, please note that your diploma will be mailed to the address in Student Academic Services and Connections. So make sure that address is accurate. Phone numbers, your Webster email address. So an alternative email address, this would be like your Gmail, a personal email, since your Webster University email address will be deactivated 1 year after graduation. So if you want to communicate about OPT or receive the newsletters, it's very important to have an alternative address. And then you need to type your name how you want it to appear on your diploma. So do you want, what order do you want your name in, how to spell it, all that is very important that you do that correctly at the bottom there. Next, indicate which term. So right now it's open for spring 1 petition, spring 2 petition. So if you're going to finish all of your classes by March, then you click this one. If you're going to finish all your classes by May, you click this one. There'll also be an option later for summer, which will be August. And fall 1, October, fall 2, December. Please note we only have one graduation ceremony in May, and your advisor can send you details about that. So you are petitioning for a graduate degree. So click yes here, and that will lead you to this page. Almost everyone is going to click this one. You are most likely not doing two majors. If you have an emphasis, so cybersecurity with artificial intelligence, that is still one degree with one major. These are all multiple degrees or doctoral degrees. So please click this one. And then there are options for which degree you're picking. So like I said, you can have your emphasis options here. Keep in mind, choose this carefully. If you're cybersecurity, you can be cybersecurity operations. So this one is very important, and a lot of people find this confusing. Are you petitioning for a graduate certificate program? This is extra on top of your degree. This is not your emphasis area. This is an additional set of requirements on top of your degree. So most people will click no here. But how do you know that you aren't participating for a certificate, petitioning for a certificate? Well, one way to know is going to Starfish and seeing if you have a current certificate. So this student has data analytics. Same time, this is on their degree audit in student academic services. You can ask your advisor to add a certificate if you are eligible, but this has to be done as formally through your advisor before you can petition for a certificate. Please note that graduate certificates cost an extra $125. So that should be part of your consideration as to whether or not you want to add a certificate. Okay, so there are a bunch of different options for a certificate. Most likely, you're going cybersecurity information assurance, threat detection, data analytics, or project management. If you have questions about which certificate you have, again, you can look on your Starfish and it'll show you which certificate you should petition for. Okay. Okay, and then that's the end. You hit submit and your petition will be processed. If there's any problems, your advisor will let you know, but you should immediately receive confirmation that your petition was received. Please note you need to complete this before you apply for OPT. So this is very important to get this done.